Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do some cheese and bacon stuffed mushrooms out on the pit boss here behind me. I'm going to take you for a walk through and show you how to get this all ready and prepared. It'll be delicious. Trust me, you guys are going to enjoy it. Let's take a look at what we're working with here and let's go from there. All right, here's what we got for our filling. We got charmini mushrooms sliced, whole cloves of garlic, which I'm going to be mincing the garlic up and dicing to a fine chop on the mushroom. Then we have Monterey Jack jalapeno, marble cheddar, and bacon. So I'm going to get this prepared. We'll pick back up on the Blackstone and we're going to get that bacon going. All right, we've fired up our Blackstone. We got it on low right now. First thing we're going to want to do is hit some bacon down on it. Hear that sizzle? That's nice. You want to cook your bacon until however you like your bacon, so whatever long that takes, that's how long it takes. I'm gonna go for a little bit more of a crispier bacon than a chewy bacon, because I will be dicing up the bacon after or chopping it up. We'll see how it works. I'm only using 8 pieces of bacon for this. Probably don't need this much, but it's okay. I want the bacon grease. I'll show you why when we get to that. So let's let this bacon do its thing and crisp up. Now that we have our bacon, that is almost to where I want it, I'm just going to flip it over and push it off to the side for now. Both sides are on low. Now we're going to take that bacon grease over here and we're going to add our mushrooms to saute in the bacon grease. Just like that. You could use butter, but since I'm using the bacon out here, figure I might as well use the bacon grease to add that much more flavor with bacon. But for you guys doing this at home, if you don't have a Blackstone, not the end of the world. You can do this inside with a frying pan. You can do it outside on a barbecue with a cast iron if you have. You don't have to use a Blackstone. I'm using the Blackstone because I have it. Now to these mushrooms, I'm also going to add my garlic. There we go. Now we like quite a bit of garlic in our house, so that's why I have so much garlic here. Sauteing everything together, break it down, let the flavors get mixed in together with each other. Well, there you have, mushrooms are cooked down. The garlic has been cooked in there nicely too. Once you've cooked it to whatever consistency you want to cook it to, whatever texture you're looking for, that's it, they're done. These look good enough for me right now. Don't forget, they will cook more after, once you stuff the mushroom. We have portobello mushrooms, as you can see. Now I'm going to show you how. Take a spoon. If you guys got an easier way of doing yours, by all means go for it. I like using a spoon because I find that the easiest. That's it. And then scrape out the inside. So stem comes out. Inside of the mushroom comes out. You guys can scrape it down however much you want. You can leave as much mushroom inside of here as you want as well. Not saying you have to get rid of everything. Whoop. Should happen sometimes. Just like that. Now this, for me, is ready to stuff. Minus the piece missing there, but that's okay. It's not going to make that big of a difference. I'm going to go and get the other mushrooms that I have prepared, and we'll pick back up. All right, we've got everything ready now. Let's get our filling ready. So to our mushroom garlic mix, we're gonna add our bacon that we've now made bacon bits with right into it. There we go. Put that in there. Now we're also gonna add some of that marble cheddar into that mix. Let this cool down the mixture. That way you don't melt the cheese right away right now. It will melt, yes. And we'll get some of that pepper jack in there as well. Now just mix everything together, just to incorporate it all, get a nice filling going for our mushrooms. Okay, there we go. Mixed up just like that. Now what you're going to want to do, get your mushrooms over here, take your mixture that we've just made, and just stuff it into the mushroom, just like that. Just like that. Hopefully I have enough mixture for all of these mushrooms. If not, one will get a little bit of a skimpy deal on it. Not a big deal. I'll make sure they all get filled anyway. I know they'll all get eaten. There you have it. That's how you're gonna stuff the mushroom. Then once you're done, sprinkle a little cheese on top. A little extra cheese. Just like that. And let's put a little pepper jack on the next one. On the top there. And there we have it. Just like that. That's how we're going to do it. I'm going to finish the other 3. Okay, our pit boss is up to 10. We got it running at 400 degrees. So these should only take about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Basically what you're looking for is just the main mushroom, the portobello, to get nice and soft, and pliable and whatnot. So for this, I've gone ahead and put it on a wire rack, just so it's easier to transport on and off of the grill. Put it right there. Like I said, we're running at 400 degrees. I'm running hickory pellets, not that that makes a difference what pellets I'm using. But 15, 20 minutes or so, these should be pretty much done. Cheese will melt nicely. You'll see. All right, we've been 10 minutes since we've put these on. Let's take a peek. Look at that. Got some nice cheese melting and everything. That's what you want. Now we're just gonna wait probably another 5 or so minutes just for those portobellos to get softened up. And then we'll pull them off. All right, we're right at that 20-minute mark right now. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. That cheese looks beautiful and everything else. These are just some cotton gloves that I have on so I don't burn my fingers. I'm just gonna remove that rack, just like so. That's it. Now, we're just gonna close down our lid. Let that keep heating up a little bit more. I'm gonna scrape it off, get it cleaned. That's all she wrote for the Pit Boss for today. I'm gonna let these rest now for about 5 minutes. We'll pick back up when we're gonna slice into one and see what we got. Now, about 5 minutes. Let's slice one of these in half, see what we're looking at. There we go. There's what we're looking at. Let's get a piece over here. You guys slice them up however you want. Do whatever you want. Let's take a look again. Nice. Nice. Let's get down here. Hopefully you guys can see me on this. Here we go. This is a good one. The mushrooms are nice and soft now, ready to eat. You get a nice taste of that garlic and bacon in there. All that cheese adds so much flavor. You guys give this a shot. If you guys don't already do stuffed mushrooms. This is just a cheese and bacon stuffed mushroom. You guys can stuff them however you want, with whatever you want. Get another piece. Good. Well, there you have it. Easy. Anybody can do this. If you guys like this one, you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'll have more content coming for you guys soon. Bye.